Hi, I'm Steph.
And I'm Vicky, and we make DIY videos and we share them at motherdaughterprojects.com.
We're excited to partner with the Home Depot and Olympic Stain today to show you how to transform this patio furniture from this to this, using the #1 rated Olympic Elite Solid Stain.
Join us as we show you how we prepped, cleaned, and applied this stain.
The first step is a trip to the Home Depot for materials. The Home Depot has many options for getting materials, including home delivery, curbside, and in-store pickup. The Home Depot has multiple pre-tint options for the Olympic Solid Stain for you to order online, or you can visit the paint counter at your local store for a custom tint. You also need quality brushes, painting supplies, sandpaper, drop cloth, and the Olympic deck cleaner. Next, set up the area where you're going to stain. We stained on my porch as there's not enough room outside, so we're going to be laying down first a tarp to protect the carpet, then we're going to put down a drop cloth over that to absorb any messes. Don't mind the dog there, she was safe in the house during the remainder of this project. Next, sand the furniture. We bought 3 grits of sandpaper from 60 for rougher areas, followed by 120 for general sanding. We didn't need to use the 220 as we didn't feel we needed the level of smoothness on this rustic furniture, but if you're going for a really smooth finish, be sure to finish with at least 220 grit. Spend more time on problem areas like this where we had a little water damage. Remove any excess sanding dust with a damp cloth or tack cloth. Next, thoroughly clean the furniture. We're removing the metal parts from the glider because the cleaner label states not to let it come in contact with metal. We're cleaning the furniture with the Olympic Premium Deck Cleaner. It removes 4 times more dirt than water alone and cleans most stains caused by mildew, dirt, algae, and mold without scrubbing. It works on the surface to lift dirt that can then be rinsed away. Recommended spray equipment is a garden sprayer, which is what we're filling right here. When used as directed, the product will not harm most plants, pets, or fish. To prepare the plants, you need to liberally spray the area with water before and after application. With the plants sprayed, we started to clean each piece of furniture. Allow the product to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. We were able to do 2 pieces, and after 10 minutes, we sprayed them both down with clean water. You can instantly see how much cleaner this furniture is now. Don't forget to clean the bottoms and the sides. You can actually see a place where we missed on the inside, which also illustrates how clean this furniture really got from this product. That noise you hear is the Ryobi battery-powered sprayer, which really makes easy work of these types of applications. In the background, you can see the other pieces of furniture drying as we finished. Again, just rinse the product off after 5 to 10 minutes. And after you finish, don't forget to spray down your plants. Here's the furniture all clean and dry. We were really impressed with how clean this furniture got using just the Olympic Deck Cleaner. It cleans so well that if we just wanted to keep the original look of this wood but still seal it, we could have used the #1 rated clear stain, Olympic Clear Maximum with weather ready application. But we are ready for a change and picked out the Olympic Elite Solid in Chestnut Brown. Make sure you give the stain a good stir and frequently stir during application. To start, transfer the stain into a smaller tray for ease of use and to avoid having to paint from the can. We find it less messy to paint from a tray, as well as keeping the can free of stain so that it's easier to put the lid back on. And now, start to stain. Stay tuned to the end of the video where we share some tips on how to pick out a color for your project. You want to stain in the direction of the grain, and in this case, that's side to side and not up and down. To avoid lap marks, apply only to a few boards at a time and maintain a wet edge. This can be applied to damp wood in temperatures from 35 to 90 degrees. The Olympic Elite stain has long-lasting durability and lifetime guarantee. You can see when we worked together, it made quick work of this project. It took us about 3 hours to stain this furniture from top to bottom and a little touch-up the next day.
And here it is, all done.
We couldn't be more excited and pleased with how well this turned out.
I actually bought this furniture 7 years ago, and it's actually still available on thehomedepot.com. But in that time, I always planned to stain or seal the furniture, but I never got around to it. And because of that, it's not easy to clean and it's just kind of remained dirty.
After applying this stain, we realized it was the perfect product for this because now we can clean this furniture and it's backed by a lifetime guarantee. As you can see in before pictures, the furniture wasn't all that bad, but oh my goodness, I love the way it looks now. It just has this commanding presence in the porch.
And I love how it looks like a rustic cabin. That's just perfect for me. So a tip when you're actually trying to pick a color for your stain, what we did is we actually went to the Olympic website and they have this great visualizer where you can see all the different stain colors and you can see them in real world applications. So you can see them on a deck, on fence, on furniture.
And that's exactly what we did. We had two colors that we were trying to decide between. So we pulled up the two different swatches on the computer and we compared them against the carpet and came up with the Chestnut Brown, and it is absolutely perfect.
Exactly. We actually created 2 builds for this project. You might have noticed. We built this C table right here and we also built the succulent holder right behind me. And they all took the stain really well, and there are actually 3 different types of wood. So our furniture is cedar, the succulent holder is pine, and the C table is pressure treated pine. So all worked really well.
You can find the full written tutorial of this project on the Home Depot blog.
And if you want more projects from us, please visit us at mother.projects.com.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye.